What's up, everyone, and welcome to an all-new breakdown video for the week beginning June the 7th, 2021. And in today's video, we are going to talk about what you can expect on the GDP as we look forward, single-family rents and how they've absolutely shot up almost to the moon, and what we can expect here on this mortgage foreclosure issue. I'm Jonathan Smith, and thanks for watching. Let's begin with economic news from this past week. And the latest update on GDP shows that first quarter holdings at 6.4%. Economists expect a revision to 6.6%. As we look ahead to quarter two, economists are expecting an annualized growth rate of 8.2%. And JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon thinks we will continue to see that kind of growth for the next few years. Inflation, well, it hit a 13-year high in April to 3.6%. That's the strongest reading since 2008 and well above the Federal Reserve's 2% goal. Both new home sales and pending home sales were down in April. The Census Bureau said new homes fell 6%. National Association of Realtors report that pending home sales were down 4.4%, both much higher than they were in 2020. And the pullback likely reflects higher prices and inventory issues. Prices, well, they're soaring across the country. The latest Case-Shiller 20-city home price index shows a 1.6% increase from February to March. Consumers, well, they're worried about inflation. I know that you probably are as well. If you've paid attention at all, you know that everybody's paying higher prices for almost everything. The mortgage rates, well, right now they are still below 3% for the 30-year. Freddie Mac down 5 basis points to 2.95%, and the 15-year was down 2 points to 2.27%. The lenders are prepping for end of the mortgage foreclosure moratorium, which is set to expire June the 30th. Realtor.com says that some lenders are planning on moving forward with foreclosures, but some banks are planning on holding back. Bank of America says that most clients are now current and they plan on working with the remaining few that need help. JP Morgan said that 90% of people seeking forbearance have now successfully exited those programs. Wells Fargo plans to extend moratorium on its loans to end of the year. Now that's in line with the proposed rule from Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, which would prevent foreclosures from happening until 2022. So if you're concerned that we're going to have this massive foreclosure crisis, I don't necessarily think that that is a concern. You're seeing that most have exited positively from the forbearance. The ones that are left, maybe we have some, but the amount of home appreciation has risen so significantly that so many people are in a position where they could sell their home, maybe break even, possibly even make a little more money. Now, CoreLogic says rents for single family homes, well, they're up 4.4% from 1 year ago. Rents are rising faster because the demand is so strong for single family home rentals. They're also rising much faster than apartment rentals that are up only 1.3% year over year. And so that is it, my friends. That's it for the breakdown for this week. Thanks for watching the video. And until next video, be blessed, and I'll see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.